It's like putting on a pair of magic glasses that let you see the world as you did when you were young, full of mystery and potential. King suggests that good horror writers retain something of that childlike perspective. They see the world differently, spotting the extraordinary in the ordinary. This ability helps them to create stories that resonate with our deepest fears and fascinations. Think about your daily routine. Wake up, go to work, come home, repeat. It's easy to get stuck in this pattern, seeing the world through a narrow lens. Horror fiction acts like a sledgehammer to that routine, smashing through our everyday perceptions. Suddenly, that creaky floorboard isn't just annoying, it might be a sign of something sinister lurking below. This busting of our tunnel vision can be jarring, even uncomfortable, but it's also exciting. It reminds us that the world is bigger, stranger, and more wondrous than we often allow ourselves to believe. This process can be empowering. By confronting fictional horrors, we might find ourselves better equipped to deal with real-world challenges. It's like a mental workout, flexing our problem-solving muscles in extreme imaginary situations. When we reconnect with our childhood imagination through horror, we're not just revisiting old fears. We're also rediscovering the courage and resilience of youth. Remember how brave you felt after checking under the bed for monsters? Horror fiction can evoke that same feeling, allowing us to face our fears in a controlled environment. That's the magic of great horror. It reconnects us with a part of ourselves we thought we'd left behind, helping us to see the world through fresh eyes. Wrapping up, in exploring the world of horror, you've journeyed through the depths of our collective fears and the heights of our imagination. This genre, often misunderstood as just shock value, reveals itself as a complex mirror of society's anxieties and a powerful tool for personal growth. Horror's ability to reflect societal fears gives it a unique place in our culture. It's not just about scares, it's about processing real-world anxieties in a safe, controlled environment. By understanding this, you can gain deeper insights into both the genre and the world around you. The three levels of fear, terror, horror, and revulsion work together to create truly effective stories. Recognizing these elements can enhance your appreciation of horror and help you understand why certain tales leave a lasting impact. From classic literature to urban legends, horror's building blocks have evolved over time, yet they continue to tap into fundamental...
Oh, kamusta yung cake? Masarap ba?
Nagustuhan ko tong cake ha.
Talaga?
Medyo matamis niya ang konti, pero ito favorite ko talaga to, yung cherry. Yung gusto ko talaga yung black forest eh.
Buti naman nagustuhan mo.
Gusto ko? Masarap to.
Ayos pala yan.
Umalis ka na rito ha. Putang ina ka ha. Anong gagawin mo dito? Maghihilata ka lang? Anak ko may trabaho, ikaw wala kang trabaho? Umalis ka na rito ha. Putang ina ka ha.
Unlimited lunch buffet, full service.
10 questions.
Kung OFW ka na gusto mong makauwi for good, solar ang sagot dyan. Maraming OFW ang gustong makabalik sa Pilipinas. Pero kulang kasi at hindi stable ang income dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na pag may pamilya ka na, kumpara sa nagtrabaho abroad. As an OFW myself, dito ko nakita ang opportunity sa solar. Hindi ko na kailangan bumalik sa Middle East para kumita ng malaki. Kasi solar now is the fastest growing career in the Philippines. Ayon sa International Renewable Energy Agency, higit 4.9 million jobs globally ang nasa solar, and this will keep on growing. As a business, pwede kang kumita ng milyon kahit nasa Pilipinas ka lang. So here's my professional advice. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng engineering degree. With just 2 days of training, pwede ka na magsimula sa bagong career right here in the Philippines. Kaya kung gusto namang umuwi at magsimula ng bagong career dito sa ating bansa, message us now at enroll at Pel Solar Training Academy, the #1 solar training academy in the Philippines. This is Doc Hill. Follow for more. Kung OFW ka na gusto mong makauwi for good, solar ang sagot dyan. Maraming OFW ang gustong makabalik sa Pilipinas. Pero
Ay, nakalungay mga to. Magaling. Oh my god. Layo. Shit. Sobrang din. Ang putang ina.
The vehicle ahead has started moving. The vehicle ahead has started moving. The vehicle ahead has started moving.
Nasa gisto.
The vehicle ahead has started moving.
Mad. Tapos
The vehicle ahead has started moving.
yun lang. Ay.
The vehicle ahead has started moving.